Now that we've talked about ice and water barrier, the next thing to talk about, it would be the felt. So felt is going to be applied anywhere where ice and water barrier is not applied. So to get to felt, go to replace the existing roof, set your material type, and then ice and water barrier, as you can see, it is on 27 eaves and then full roof on one slope. So felt is going to be applied everywhere else based on the default settings that I have. Now, one thing to remember about felt was two additional questions populated. One is double layer. So the other question is the waste parameters for felt. So you can go all the way up to 20%. But one thing interesting is felt will automatically follow the waste parameters set in the primary material. So if you noticed, I hit 10% and it automatically follows up and down wherever I set it at. Now, if you have auto waste turned on in the roof for your primary roofing material, then there is a setting you will need to have set in order for felt to be applied. If you notice, the waste question has been removed for the primary material type, and then felt automatically populated to 5%. That's because in the user settings under felt, in this user settings I have auto waste to automatically populate to 5% if auto waste is being used. So I want the waste question to be asked, and I want it to be used 5% if the roof waste is automatically set. If the roof waste is not automatically set, then it's going to automatically follow the predominant material type. Felt is also, just like ice and water barrier, it is separated by slopes, only they're slightly different in that it stops at 412. So any slope under 212, I would want felt to be applied if ice and water barrier was not there. And the same thing between 212 and 412, and I can adjust those with just simple yes or no question.